cleaning all that back to metal. So that's what I'm doing, cleaning it back to metal, and then that'll be ready to be epoxy primered. And I'll be back with you shortly. Hi everyone, this is what the road trip was for from Dale Love, who sold me this. He sold it me with absolutely everything needed to plumb it in. All the pipes. So that I'm just going to clean up, and then that can go straight in. It saved me a lot of hassle. I've already got one of these, but this one looks good, and it comes with the support bar there, the bracket. So I never had that with mine, so that'll be going on there. Basically I've just got to plumb it all in once the engine's back in. So that's very helpful, thank you Dale. So that's brilliant. That can go straight into my car and fit lovely. So yeah, just wanted to show you that, and that's what the road trip was all about at the beginning. So now let's get on to the rest of the work I'm doing on the car, and I'll show you my progress as I've been going along, because I filmed this after I've already done a bit of work on the car because it was still in my van. Okay, back shortly. Everything's been treated, and now I'm going to start working on it, and I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Starting to get this bit done. All primered. Right, some new tabs. There, and there. What I'm going to do is I'm going to order some heat shrink wrap, put them over there and heat shrink them on all of them, so they'll run new. And they are going black. These are going black to match all under there, and then the rest of it will be done in Cosmos. So yeah, all took back down to metal, painted, and now I'm going to do it in black, and I'll be back with you when I've done that. There's the battery tray, all done, all under there is done. It's tough to get the wire wheel in there, but I've done it. So there you have it, and I'll show you when I've done some more. Hi everyone, poly bushes are in. Pretty sure that's how they go in. Poly bushes ready for the subframe. Now just got a Dale has showed me how to put my new radiator in because he has the same one. Just got to weld a couple of brackets on the top here and there, one at the bottom, and my new radiator can go in there that I've got. So get in there. Now just got to go and wait for me scuttle, because the bloke that I bought it off says he's going to post it because he couldn't deliver it to me. So until then I'm going to make a start on my subframe so I can get that back in. So she's getting there. I can't believe how fast I'm getting a move on. So where you see it's black staying, I was debating whether to just do all in the engine bay black, but I'm going to keep the chassis rails black, and then everything else will go Cosmos blue, because it's going to go nice with what I've got planned for my engine, which you'll see soon. So back shortly. Nice brand new poly bushes. So that's all ready to take my subframe. All up here now is pretty much done. I really can't wait to get the subframe in. I'm going to go and take my wheels to have the tyres taken off, because I'm going to put 4 brand new tyres on. So while I'm working on the subframe, I'm going to go and get the tyres replaced. I'm going to paint my wheels. I'm not going to tell you what I'm going to do with them yet. Let's just say everybody does silver with the black inserts. I'm not doing that. I'm doing some of my own. So yeah, back shortly. Another day, back at it again. All the paint's lovely. But what I'm working on today is this. There's a couple of holes underneath there. That's the last bit that I've got to repair, I think. Up the front. And see all the holes? There in the corner like before. And I'll be back with you when I've done that. Cut all the old metal out. Now I'm just going to clean this base bit and put a new piece in there. Obviously clean all that up in there because everything else seems fine. That's where I'm repairing it from the inside for the handle. So, yeah. Back when I've done some more. Hi everyone. This is what I've done. All in there is repaired. Spot welded in there like that. New lip. It runs nice along there. All I've got to do now is just put some fiberglass filler over this. And then all of that is done. I'm just finishing cleaning up under here. So I can get rid of the rust out of there. Because that's where my gutter trim that I bought is going to go. So I'm just going to go and clean this up and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. But if I get my little hammer, solid. So yeah, I'm going to sort this out and I'll show you what it looks like after. Awesome. That's another job done. Hi everyone. It's all repaired. Now, where you can see this little bump, look, is it where the welds are protruding a tiny little bit. But I've put some filler on that, fiberglass on there. And when I come to do it, I can grind those little bumps down. But that is when I come to do the body work, so I'm not bothered about that for now. I can move on to the next repair. Things that I leave like this will be body work day. I just want to get through the repairs. So that's another door post on. This little bump here is meant to be there because it's where the door sits in. So, right, that's the end of these videos. Please like and subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.